Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are making yam and oat fufu. To start, soak 1.5 cup of raw oat in a bowl for 5 minutes. We are soaking it for easy blending and for you to have a smooth texture after blending. Next is to peel your yam, but in this video I have peeled mine already. I sprinkle salt to wash it properly. For this recipe I'll be using equal parts yam and oats. So if you have 1.5 cup of oats, you will want 1.5 cup of yam. Now is to cut the yam into smaller chunks for faster blending. Before we continue, if you are seeing our videos for the first time, subscribe, like, share and turn on the bell icon so you never miss any upload. To our returning viewers and subscribers, thank you all. You know, yam are packed with lots of vitamins and oats are high in soluble fiber. Combining the two gives you a healthy, nutritious meal. Oat is good for weight loss. It helps to control hunger and reduce cholesterol. Now we are going to blend the yam and oat together. Add the yam chunks and oats into a blender. Pour in enough water to help everything blend smoothly. You don't want too much water or the fufu will be too soft. Blend until we get a smooth, lump-free consistency like this. Make sure there are no chunks of yam or oats left. Time to cook. Pour our blended yam and oat mixture into a pot on a medium heat. Stir continuously with a spatula to prevent lumps from forming. Notice the mixture has started thickening quickly. Keep stirring as the mixture thickens until it becomes stretchy and pulls away from the side of the pot. This usually takes about 8 to 10 minutes. We are making a large quantity. It will take like 15 to 20 minutes. Sometimes it depends on how much you are making. Time you are adding a small water by the side. We'll cover and allow it to steam for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the fufu has a stretch and perfect texture. It's almost ready. You can add more water if you want the fufu to be too soft. Our fufu is now ready. Look at how beautiful, smooth and lovely it's looking. You can serve this with your favorite soup or stew. I'll go ahead and shape it into a bowl using a tip bowl just like this. You see the way I'm molding it. I'll transfer it into my plate and keep it and serve it with my favorite and delicious egusi soup. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more recipes. Thank you.